Stop scrolling if you've never seen bread this soft before. You're about to fall in love. We start with simple ingredients, parsley to give the aroma, and of course, yeast. Don't forget a touch of sugar, milk, but the magic that happens in the process, baking powder, eggs, and of course the great butter. Kneading the dough is necessary and it feels the softness coming alive. This is where patience turns into perfection. You got this. Now we let it rest because every good thing takes time, and trust me, it's worth the wait. Look at the rise. Look, because light, fluffy, full of life, this is exactly what we want. Time to shape the buns, of course. Make it round, smooth round, and ready to become something beautiful. Into the oven. Of course, I decided to go with the mint aroma to add on that aroma. There we go, into the oven, out of the oven, there we go. The most fluffy, perfectly golden, soft, and inside slightly crispy on the outside. Just look at the texture. This is why homemade will always win. If you love soft, fluffy buns like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay with delicious moments.